What are you doing?
This is a new exercise I found on YouTube to reduce my belly fat. So hi all, we are joined here with Prashant.
Hello.
Who happens to be a physical trainer.
You have to use FIT principle, like at least cardiovascular endurance, then strength and flexibility. These 3 exercises enough to reduce our belly fat. Spot reduction, it's not possible. Before you just get into the fat loss challenge, first you have to think about your health issues. Like some of them will have some heart problem, some of them have some breathing issues, some of them have joint issues. So before that they have to consult their doctors, whether they can start my exercises or not, and how much intensity I can do.
So the thing here I want to say is, don't just follow any YouTube video blindly.
Yes.
If you have any health issue, please do consult a doctor before starting any exercise of any sort.
Yes. If you pick a trainer for you, right, to train you, you first make your doctor and the trainer to talk together, and because your doctor will clearly explain about your health issues, from there actually a trainer will start thing. And one more thing, before you start the workout, you have to do your fitness tests. So any trainer, if they come and give you exercise blindly, please don't do. Ask them to conduct a fitness test, because in which area you are. Okay, anybody, even I can do squats, ma'am also can do squats, but I can do 30, ma'am maybe can do 50. Okay, I'm just telling you. So my fitness level is different, ma'am's fitness level is different. Blindly we are not supposed to do exercises. We have to take it gradually. So within overnight we cannot change in your body nothing, because you put weight, right, it took too much, so much of time. Within a day you didn't put weight. You took 2 years, 3 years, you took a time to put more weight, you know. The same time you need to wait to reduce your weight.
I did so much exercise today. I'm all charged up.
Yeah, yesterday I did so much exercise now. Today my legs are paining. I can't even get up.
First day, more excited, right? You should not do so much exercise in first day itself, yeah. Gradually increase the pace. Huh? Now see. Do you think exercises alone will help in reducing the fat? Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, keep thinking. If you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel